Hey everybody, what's up, what's new, it's Blue. Leave it down in the comments down below because I would like to know how you guys are doing today. Welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to silence a comfort wheel or exercise wheel. This is the All Living Things exercise wheel, but it's also known as the comfort wheel, so that's what we're going to call it. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into the video. For this video, you are going to need some vegetable oil, some packing tape, preferably clear, scissors to make a clean cut on the tape, and pliers to take the wheel off of the stand. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's a little wobbly as it is, just by pressing on the top a little bit. So when a hamster is running in it, it's obviously going to wobble and it's going to make a noise as it's spinning. So that's kind of like the movement that it's going to do when the hamster's running on it. So it's going to hit the bars on the back here. So that is why this comes into play. You're probably going to want better pliers than the ones that I have. I did have a little bit of difficulty with squeezing the prongs together to pull the wheel off. So I do have it off now. So I'm just going to pull it off. And it does look like I'm going to need to clean it a little bit from the time that I oiled it. So I do have a damp cloth right here so that I can just wipe off those sections. I did notice that these wheels can tend to be very, very noisy due to the fact of it being wobbly. So that is why I kind of did my own research to see if I can find something that can help. And I did, so I will link the video that I watched down below so that you guys can see the type of pliers that he used to get this done. So from what he said from what this person said in his video, you're going to want to make sure that it kind of doubles up a little bit with the tape. So just make sure that you have clean edges. That wasn't a good one. So you're probably going to want it to be like this long. I don't know if you can see that very well. Okay, that long. Just so it wraps around. Sorry about that, guys. The tape fell, so I had to clean it off. But yeah, so it's that long. Okay. And then you're just going to want to put it like maybe about that far away from the back spoke. Okay. All right, so as you can see, it's right there. So we're going to want to get another piece and we're going to want to cut it in half, lengthwise, so that it just equals up as one piece of tape instead of two. So once again, a nice decent sized piece so it wraps around a little bit. And we are going to cut it in half. All right. So I'm going to put that one there. We are going to wrap this one around. So that it's nice and smooth. There. So now it's all nice and smooth all the way across. There's no bumps, there's no nothing. So now we are going to take the oil. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to take the oil. I'm going to put a little bit of it onto my fingers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this cloth down just in case. Okay. Now that I have it on my finger, see it on my finger, we're going to rub it along the spoke here. Just so that it's all nice and oiled up. All right. So while I'm at it, I'm going to give the wheel a little wipe off because she did pee on it a bit. So I just want to get that excess pee off of there, just so it's not all over the place, and so that she can run comfortably on it. I'm probably going to have to clean it with soap, so I'll probably do that after this video, but it's just so that I can get it back on there. Alright, so now we are going to pop it back on, and now it doesn't wobble as much, and it's nice and quiet. Hey guys, future me here. I'm in the process of editing this video right now, and I just want to let you guys know that in the video I only wrapped the tape around the spindle once. I ended up having to wrap it around a second time because it was still fairly loud when she was running on it. It still has a little bit of noise to it, but we can work with that. It's not as loud as it was when there was no tape on it and no oil on it. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Leave a friendly comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!